dance moves. Bottom 2. 2. Alright, first we're gonna start out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're gonna move your shoulders, right? You're gonna move your shoulders. In, out, kick. In, out, kick. Now you're gonna follow it with your hands. In, out, kick. Then you're gonna turn it around. You do the moonwalk. And when you're done doing the moonwalk, you're gonna turn it out. Same thing. In, out, kick.
Her socks are hilarious.
I'm loving the socks.
And the one leg up.
Hey, baby! Oh, what is that?
Boots for when I got
Whoa.
It's her Irish dance.
No.
Bust a move. Do the boogaloo.
Are you catching her feet?
Yeah, of course I'm catching her feet. Strike a pose.
That was a Guatemala dance right there.
Let me see it. This is the longest video I'm done.